Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of CPU cooling solutions with a comprehensive review of the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports Duo, a powerhouse when it comes to keeping your CPU cool and your system running smoothly. Picture this. You're in the midst of an intense gaming session or tackling heavy-duty tasks on your PC, and suddenly, things start heating up, literally. But fear not, because we've got the ultimate solution for you. Introducing the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports Duo. Hands down, one of the best CPU radiator fans available in the market today. Let's kick things off with an overview of what makes the Freezer 34 Esports Duo stand out from the crowd. This tower CPU fan boasts a push-pull configuration with two Bionics P-Series case fans, ensuring optimal airflow and heat dissipation. Compatible with both Intel and AMD sockets, including the latest LG A1700, this cooler is ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. Now, let's talk features. The Freezer 34 Esports Duo comes equipped with evenly spread direct touch heat pipes and an optimized heatsink design with 54 cooling fins. This means superior heat dissipation, keeping your CPU running at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. Plus, with a contact surface that covers the CPU die completely. Including the largest versions, you can rest assured knowing your high-end CPU is in good hands. Now, let's get down to what really matters: performance. Whether you're overclocking your CPU for maximum gaming performance, or tackling demanding tasks like video editing and rendering, the Freezer 34 Esports Duo has you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line CPU cooling solution that delivers on performance, reliability, and ease of use, look no further than the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports Duo. With its innovative design, superior heat dissipation, and user-friendly installation, it's the perfect addition to any gaming rig or high-performance PC build. And there you have it, folks, our in-depth review of the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports Duo. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and guides. Until next time, happy gaming and stay cool.